Bonjour, this is Learn French with Frida. Bienvenue. Today we are going to learn about birds in French. There are so many types of birds in the world. In French, birds are des oiseaux. Répétez après moi, des oiseaux. Birds. When you look outside, you will see different types of birds, and that's what we are going to learn about today. We will not exhaust the list because there are so many birds in the world. But let's just learn a few of them and their French names today. Bienvenue. We will start with a pigeon. A pigeon is called un pigeon. Un pigeon. A duck is called un canard. Un canard. And a female duck is called une can. Une can. Please remember to repeat after me so that you can learn the pronunciation. An owl is called an hibou. An hibou. It's also called une chouette. Une chouette. A woodpecker is called un pivert. Un pivert. And a hawk is called un faucon. Un faucon. Let's pause a little and do a short recap. A pigeon is called un pigeon. How about a duck? A duck is called un canard, and a female duck is called une can. An owl is called an hibou. It's also called une chouette. Une chouette. A woodpecker is called un pivert. Un pivert. And how do we call a hawk? Un faucon. Un faucon. Correct. Let's proceed to the sixth bird. A goose is called une oie. Une oie. A swan is called un cygne. Un cygne. A vulture is called un vautour. Un vautour. An eagle is called an aigle. An aigle. And a pelican is called un pelican. Un pelican. Let's pause again and do a short recap. A goose is called une oie. Une oie. A swan, do you remember the pronunciation? Un cygne. Un cygne. How about a vulture? A vulture is called un vautour. Un vautour. An eagle is an aigle. An aigle. And a pelican? Un pelican. That's easy because it's the same spelling. Un pelican. And the N is silent. Un pelican. Let's proceed to the 11th bird. A flamingo is called un flamant rose. Un flamant rose. A stork is called une cigogne. Une cigogne. A parrot is called un perroquet. Un perroquet. A sparrow is called un moineau. Un moineau. And a peacock is un pao. Un pao. Let's recap those 5. A flamingo Inflamorose. Inflamorose. Try to pronounce them. Astok, yun cigogne. Yun cigogne. A parrot, un perroquet. Un perroquet. A sparrow is called un moineau. Un moineau. And a peacock, un pao. That N is silent. Un pao. Correct. Let's now go to the 16th bird. This will be our last section. We are doing 20 birds today. The 16th one is a chicken. A chicken is called yun pool. Yun pool. A crow is called yun corneille. Yun corneille. A raven is called un corbeau. Un corbeau. A seagull is called une mouette. Une mouette. And the last one is a hummingbird. Un colibri. Un colibri. Let's recap those five. A chicken, une poule. Une poule. A crow, une corneille. Une corneille. How about a raven? Un corbeau. Un corbeau. A seagull, une mouette. Une mouette. And a hummingbird is called un colibri. Un colibri. How was that? Did you struggle with the pronunciation? No? Yes? It's different. Some people struggled a little bit, others struggled with the pronunciations, but with the practice, we will get to pronounce them perfectly. Let's do our first activity. I'll be asking you what these birds are in French. It's a matching activity, so you match them with their English names. The first one is a chicken. The second one is a hawk. The third one is a vulture. The fourth one is a flamingo. And the fifth one is a duck. Match those birds with their English names. Let me give you 5 seconds. If you will not have finished, you can pause the video so that you finish the activity and then we will mark. Okay, so what were your answers? Check whether you got them right. Here are the answers to that activity. Check whether you got them right. Mark for yourself. If there is any that you didn't get right, please do the corrections. Well done for attempting activity 1. Activity 2, look at that bird. What is its name in French? If you have never seen it, you can see I have written the English name there. So what is its name in French? And there is the second bird. What is its French name? Write it down somewhere. There is the third bird. Write its name in your book. There is the picture of the fourth bird. Write its French name in your book. And there is the fifth bird. If you have not finished, once more, you can pause the video and finish the activity, and then we will have the answers afterwards. Let's now mark the second activity. Here are the answers. What was the first bird? An ibu. An ibu is an owl. It's also called yunshuet. So if you called it yunshuet, it's also correct. The second bird was a peacock. What is its French name? Ampao. Ampao. The third bird is a duck. What is its French name? Un canard. That's the answer. The fourth bird was a parrot. And its French name is un perroquet. Un perroquet. And what's the fifth bird? A hummingbird. And what is its French name? Un colibri. Un colibri. Did you get everything in that activity? Mark for yourself. If you didn't get everything, do the correction so that you can remember next time. We have come to the close of this lesson. We have been learning about des oiseaux. Des oiseaux are birds in French. We have named 20 different birds in French. Do you know all of them? I hope you do. Have you gotten the correct pronunciation? Yes, I hope you have gotten the correct pronunciation. If you have any challenge with the pronunciation or identifying the birds, let me know on the comment section below and I will help you out. For any kind of feedback, please write it down as well on the comment section and I will check your feedback and get back to you. This is Learn French with Frida. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet done so. Like this video and share it widely with your network so that other people can also learn some French. Over for now. See you in the next video.